Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Pandas library in Python. Pandas is an essential tool for data analysis and manipulation, making it a must-have for any aspiring data scientist or analyst. Whether you're working on a small project or diving into larger datasets, Pandas will help you handle your data with ease. So let's get started and get Pandas set up on your system. Open Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. After installation, you can verify that Pandas is installed by running. This command will print the version of Pandas installed. And that's it. You've successfully installed Pandas in Python. Now you're ready to start analyzing and manipulating your data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.